Uh, Good morning, everyone. I am Saranya, Assistant Professor in Computer Science and Technology in SNS College of Engineering. Next, we continue with the classifications of supervised learning. A classification algorithm are used to solve the classification problems in which the output variables and categorical such as yes or no, male or female, and red and blue, and etc. The classification algorithm predict the categories present in the data set. Some real world examples of classifications algorithm are spam reduction, email filtering, and etc. The classification continues with the some popular classification algorithms are given below: the random forest algorithm, decision tree algorithm, logistic regression algorithm, and support vector machine algorithm. The next is a then regression. The regression algorithms are used to solve the regression problem in which there is a linear relationship between the input and output variable. These are used to predict the continuous output variables such as a market trends and weather the prediction and etc. Some popular regression algorithms are given: simple linear regression algorithm, multivative regression algorithm, then next decision tree algorithm, then fourth one is a lasso regression, then and the next one is in evaluating the supervised learning models, and it is an important steps in ensuring that the model is accurate and generalized. There are the number of different merits that can be used in evaluate the supervised learning model. But some of the most common ones include: for the regression of mean squared error MSE, root mean squared error RMSE, and mean absolute error MAE. And again last one is an R square, that means the coefficient of determination. The MSE the measure the average square difference between the predicted values and the actual values. The lower MSE values indicate the better model performance. The next one is in root mean squared error. RMSE is a square root of MSE. It representing the standard deviation of the predictions error. The similar to the MSE and lower RMSE values indicate the better model performance. The means absolute of error MAE the measure the average absolute difference between the predicted values and the actual values. It is the less sensitive to outliers compared to MSE or RMSE. Then R squared is to measure the proportion of the variance in the target variable that is explained by the model. It is a higher R squared values indicate the better model fit. The next for the classifications of uh, classifications of supervised learning model is a accuracy, precision, recall, FN score, and confusion matrix. First, then the accuracy is the percentage of prediction that the models make a correctly. It is calculated by the dividing the number of correct predictions by the total number of predictions. The precision is the percentage of positive predictions that the model makes that are actually corrected. It is calculated by dividing the number of true positives by the total number of positive predictions. Then recall is the percentage of all positive examples that the model correctly identifies. It is calculated by dividing the number of true positives by the total number of positive examples. The F1 score is weighted average of precisions and recall. It is calculated by taking the harmonic mean of precision and recall. The confusion matrix is a table that show the number of predictions for the each classes along with the actual class label. It can be used to visualize the performance of the model and identify errors where the model is struggling. The next one is an application of supervised learning is a spam filtering, image classifications, medical diagnosis, uh, then fraud detection and natural languages processing. The next one is an advantages of supervised learning. Yeah, supervised learning allow the collecting the data and produce the data output from the previous experience. That helps to optimize the performance criteria with the help uh, help of experience. A supervised machine learning helps to solve the various types of real world computations problems. Then disadvantages of machine learning is that these are algorithm not able to solve the complex task. It may predict the wrong output if the test data is different from the training data. It requires a lot of computational time and to train the algorithm. Thank you.